Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Moto G56 and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode. So let's switch to the video one. Just tap on the video which is next to the photo, and if you can see the red dot inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. So now all we have to do is to take a look at this option bar at the top, and on the second position from the right we've got the resolution. So let's tap on it, and unfortunately I thought that it will open more options. Let me enter the settings. We do not have the resolution here, so we just have to focus on this section. So right now we've got the FHD option, so full HD with 30 frames per second, and after tapping on it we can set FHD again, but with 60 frames per second. So this is the only difference. We've got only two options, and the difference lies in the frames per second. So this is how to change it in this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.